two ways to turn on safe mode on your Samsung mobile phone. The first one is first press and hold the power button until you see this button here. So you'll have to do is press and hold the power button, and you can see here this safe mode button here. So you'll have to do is tap this safe mode, and your mobile phone is automatically restart and the safe mode is enabled. And now you can see the safe mode here on your Samsung on the lower left side. So this is the first one to turn on the safe mode. To turn off the safe mode, press and hold again the power button and tap the restart button to restart your mobile phone, and the safe mode is turned off. And the safe mode is now turned off. And the second one to turn on the safe mode on your Samsung, okay, you'll have to do is press the power button again and turn off your mobile phone. And we have successfully turned off the mobile phone. And the second one to turn on the safe mode on your Samsung is press and hold the power button. After you see this Samsung logo, release the power button, and now you can push or press and hold the volume down button. And now we have successfully turned on this safe mode. And okay, that's it. There are two ways to turn on the safe mode on your Samsung mobile phone.